Hey there guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Igloo 30 quart contour cooler. Yeah, this is a pretty big cooler. It really holds a lot. Yeah. I've had this cooler for a good 2 years now, 2.5 years, and it really works well. It's really good. I have had over 40 cans of soda in here, and that's a lot. Yeah, you can put 40 cans in there of your favorite beverage and you will have no issues at all. What I really like about this cooler is it has handles on the side for you to carry on both sides instead of just having the regular handle here to carry like that. You also have the ones on the side. That's good. And when you're using it to carry on the side with both hands, what's nice is the back has this contour right here. If you can see that, you see how it kind of goes in like that? You see that? It kind of goes in like that because it's going to be against your body. So when you're carrying on the sides here, this is going to be like against your stomach or your abdomen, you know, and it goes in for comfort. It's expecting that. So I like that. I like that they're actually thinking about how you're going to carry it. That's really, really good. And it has this handle, of course, which is probably used more than anything. Yeah, this is really, really good. Those side handles is really a kicker here for me. I really like that. And at the bottom, it has, if you see, it has this opening at the bottom here, like that. So you have a nice airflow that goes through all, so because you want air to go all through all around the cooler to keep it cool. I mean, when it's flat, it would have a tendency to get hot down there. So this makes it so air can go through the bottom. Yeah, and it's a decent size. It's 30 gallons. That's 30 quart. Pretty big. So yeah, you can put a lot in there. The dimensions are, it is 18 inches wide and 16 inches high. Yeah, and the deepness of this is 13 inches. So yeah, it's pretty deep. So you can put a lot of stuff in there. Yeah. It's a good little container. It really is. Even if you're just putting ice in there and just a few drinks, it's good. It really is good. Yeah. Igloo has it's a nice brand. I've used this brand for different things and they never fail to please. Yeah. All right. I like it a lot, guys. 30 quart and 28 liter. It's a really, really good buy. Now, I've seen this in different colors. I have seen a completely red one. I've seen a red one. I've seen a white one, I believe, and a black one. Yeah. I think the main one that's mostly common that you'll probably find is a actual blue one. Yeah, blue is like the most popular color for these, I think. So, yeah, I mean, I like the blue better anyway. Yeah. Wow, I really, really, really think this is a good buy. Also, I mean, this is great for all kind of things you're gonna do. If you're gonna have a party or say a picnic or something, or take it to any kind of camping trip or anything, it's really good for that. And, you know, anything you're going to do. If you're just inviting people over and it's a hot summer day, you know, this is your thing. You should get one. I like it a lot. The only downside I would say to the Igloo, well, this one is, I mean, I know I kind of bragged about how you carry it and everything, and it has two handles and the ones on the side. What I would really like is if the kind that I had the handle on the back, like the suitcase. You know how you pull the handle out and you can drag it and it has wheels? That is the best, and I've seen that. And actually Igloo does have that, but just not this one. Yeah, and I think that's what I should have gotten, because that beats carrying it any old kind of way. So yeah, so I think this is good otherwise, and it's gonna be in this family for a while. Yeah, it does what it's supposed to. All right, guys, that is the Igloo 30 quart contour cooler. All right, it's a goodbye. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hope you use this information.